This is TweetBot. So it is a service similar to Google where it will take a search keyword or a term and return some interesting data, but instead of from anywhere on the internet, it's just from Twitter. So we'll type in the word favorite here and we'll just give a quick search, and it will go to Twitter and query Twitter for around 100 tweets, and we'll get some interesting data. So here we have the list of tweets, and it will show the retweets, the likes, and the polarity and the subjectivity. So polarity, this tweet list is actually sorted by polarity in ascending order. So the polarity is something we pull from data mining, and it will tell you the emotion conveyed by the tweet. So according to the word favorite, we have very little negative tweets, which makes sense. Favorite is generally a positive word. And then we have many more positive tweets, which are above that median 0 line. And then subjectivity is how opinionated the tweet is. So also, as expected, we have very many opinionated tweets because generally favorites are opinionated. So also, if you take any of these tweets, you can just click them and see which ones. So this is that tweet 31 that we were just looking at. So that's an easy way to see what the tweet is on the graph. We also have this pie chart, which shows that there are 81 positive tweets, 4 negative tweets, and 2 neutral tweets. So that matches up with our graph here. Also, you can see in the bottom here, we can sort this tweet list by positive. So these are going to be all the positive tweets in the polarity section. We have negative, which are not very many, and then only 3 neutral tweets. So besides that, we have history, which will show all of your recent searches. So we can search test just by clicking on it, and it will pull up not the old search because it will run a different query. So it will query the latest tweets instead of the ones when that search was entered, and it will pull up all those tweets. So besides that, we have a way to delete your cookies, which will clear your history, and then we also have an about page, which just tells a little bit about us and how we've created it and why. And then besides that, for our final thing, we have advanced searches. So these are searches that go a little bit past just a search term. You also have a retweet threshold, which will only display tweets with a number of retweets greater than the number entered, and a favorite threshold, which is the same thing just with favorites or likes, and then a date, which will show you any tweets up to that date. So we'll give that a test. We'll just do 100 retweets, 200 favorites, and then we'll do everything up to 4/21/2020. And here you can see, you'll see nothing after 21/20, and you'll see that the retweets and likes are according to the threshold that we set. And that's TweetBot.